What is up, YouTube? We're back with your boy, Jay Money. And I'm trying to fix my camera here. Snap. Tell me in the comments below if you can see. If you can't, I'll fix it. But for now, I gotta hold my controller at my camera. So yeah, I just wanted to say happy weekends. If it's dark at your side, it's actually dark where I live. Yeah, have a great weekend. Have some good sleep. If it's sunny, y'all should try to check this game out, NBA 2K17. If you don't have it, hit me up in the comments below. See you guys next video.